Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now. Make sure your iPad is updated and you already have a passcode set because Face ID requires it. Once done, position your face in front of the true depth camera, remove anything covering your face, and go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode and tap Set up Face ID. The system will prompt you for 2 scans. Begin the first scan by holding the iPad at arm's length and centering your face. This first step begins the enrollment process. Now perform the first and second scans carefully. Hold the iPad about 10 to 20 inches away and keep it in portrait orientation. Make sure ambient light is moderate, not blinding or too dark. Slowly move your head to complete the circular motion the interface requests. This captures different angles and builds a robust model. After the first full scan, repeat for the second. If you wear glasses or often change style, tap Alternate Appearance to add a second enrolled look for more reliable unlocking. Complete setup by enabling the features you want: Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and password autofill. Lock the iPad and test unlocking, and an app that requires authentication to confirm reliability. If Face ID seems inconsistent, go back to Settings and review Face ID options, or add an alternate appearance for variations. Troubleshooting tip: if Face ID repeatedly fails, reset Face ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.